We at Locksmith, Jersey City, New Jersey, understand that a home is only as strong as its foundation and as secure as the locks on all its doors. That is why one of our services includes a 24/7-day-a-week emergency service, so that you'll know that when it comes to your security and peace of mind, we do not rest until your residential locking hardware needs are met. Every 30 seconds in America, a home is broken into and is entered illegally. Over the years, even the most advanced home security systems can naturally become compromised by wear and tear, loss or theft of keys, vandalism, robberies, and change of tenants. So call us at Locksmith, Jersey City, New Jersey at 201-706-7087.